riding through this world with the best friends ever, cause yes indeed, it's all about you who inspire me. You know, season 4 mine's 13 days. And it's raining here in Islamabad, but you know we respect the mines. Cast the crew, Luna Puma, hope we're doing it proud. Tanya, I love you. Stay strong, stay healthy. Happy Ramadan, baby. Oh, woo! What are we bringing you a show? The Bollywood that you never seen before. Fire that son bitch up. Ooh, it's raining here in Islamabad. Cause I'm passionate about Ramadan. And raising some hell. Way. Thank you all. Much respect. Sons of anarchy. Sons of liberty. Large part of my heart and soul. Every spirit out loud, baby. Feeling good? Oh yeah, I feel romantic. Sneak like a willy. You know rock this room. Best friends, baby. Oh yeah. Look the truth in the eye. Honesty. Vanessa. Celebrate. Hope. Believe. Because until I die, I got heart and soul. Passion. Forevermore. Luna Puma, Deborah, Maria, Aunt Michelle. Celebrate what you love. Cause 13 more days. Islamabad! Baby. We celebrate. What is love? Again. Have no fear. Because yes indeed. This is happening. I'm gonna part my heart and soul. Dear. Once again, married. Cause I feel passionate. I feel romantic. Her name Armad. Look, she's got it. Sneak like a wind. Like more dogs bark, baby. Let's go keep on there. Oh yeah. Mayans, season 4. You excited? I am. Cause I'm jacked up forevermore. So thank you all. Love each other. Happy Ramadan. And throw it up if you don't give a fuck. Love you all. Take care.